out of all the guys who went for trials for Interprovincial. Yeah, we were a lot. From, remember, it's Atteridgeville, Soshanguve, Mamelodi guys. I was the only black guy in the team. There were 14 white guys. I was the only white guy, black guy in that team. Then we went for Interprovincial.
Principal.
Yeah, no, like you.
Principal, ngalezo ikhathi beba lapho 1.7.
Yeah, 1.71. Yeah, we were almost. Yeah, we were always.
Dakota.
Yeah,
Principal wena ngiyakhulula ngokuhola.
Yeah. Yes, yeah. I remember I was once mashonisa nyana wama teacher esikoleni.
So yo zenza ngathi ufuna ukuxoxa no drive ukhalela ukuthi avule umnyango kancane. Ungena umoya. Baru yegaming. Ibhasi ngokugcwala ama supporter.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ungena nenkukhu.
Yeah.
Because ucela ilift yokusala.
I supporter number 1 fan uyangena. Uphethe inkukhu.
Babe siyabuza lo muntu wayangena nale nkukhu ebhasini. But amethi trademark yakhe emagaming.
Yeah,
le nkukhu le uloka yenza kahle phezulu. And akabona ukuthi uzosibisa nabo SPCA ya violate ama rights ezilwane.
You understand?
Sanibonani, welcome to HPN Sports. My name is Gerald Shoni Mudabi. Today I bring an episode that has a guy who has been around the world, went to Old Trafford and shared dressing rooms with iconic people like Benny McCarthy, Pitso Mosimane and many others. But before I overshadow his arrival by taking over the show, which is supposed to be his, like I said, my name is Gerald Mudabi. And this is HPN Sports. Today we have Jappy Mutale as our guest. Japs.
Choma Nutina Utiam.
Is this Coco?
Yeah, I think people they'll be surprised why I'm busy Choma. That name is here. You can't erase that name from.
Before fika kule part where ubachela ngale ndaba yamagama. Ezibhayi into engifuna ukuziringa nawe, I think ngilele late nje ngibusy ngeresearch yakho, but engeke ngikwazi ukuziresearcha into ezifana nokuthi labantu engibamentionile that you shared dressing rooms with,
yes,
are not the start of Jappy Mutale.
Yes.
What is your first memory when you think of football? Yini efike ekhanda mawucabanga ngawe nokudlala idisk? Your first memory nje of football.
Yeah, I remember back in the days when I started playing football. Actually, I was playing karate. And then I was identified by someone called Joe Gweka. He's late now, may his soul rest in peace. Estrate, we were playing, and then he saw me, and then he identified me, and he came to my house to say I must come to Sundowns Juniors. But the resilience of saying, no, man, I can't play football. Nah, I love karate. Then I absconded. They bought me boots, but I absconded to back to karate sessions up to whereby he tracked me down and brought me back to football side because he saw something in me. But me, I never. That time, because you are young, you want to follow what your heart says. No, na karate. Yeah, so those were the ones of, and when I'm sitting and thinking, for age, where I would be today if it all bengi karate ki, ngoba namhlanje puliti nekhaya lemhlele bekiti nang noga ngithi. Ngithi. And then maybe it wouldn't take me where I am today.
And before we even think of getting to where you are today, the earliest memory is actually ane karate phakathi, which has kicking. It has relations to football.
Yeah.
But if focus yam or iwariam on everything you just said, uJoe Kekana. uJoe Kekana. Was it linked in the Sundowns? Was it the only club? Ekhona Mamelodi at the time. Yes, it's a big club in the town. Yes, Mamelodi, but begu yokuphela or begu yokuphela organized.
No, actually, Ujoke guy who was he was the Sundowns development. That is one of the guys who started Sundowns development. It started from him. He had a team, and Abu Natasha Shiklas, they absorbed the team to make it Sundowns development.
Feeder team.
Yeah, feeder team. Then that is when they started calling it Sundowns development. And it was under 10, under 12. Jalunja.
And the reasons why you left Sundowns, because I don't think a lot of people know, Uguti, you actually at some point were part of the first team squad at Sundowns.
Yes. Yeah, for me, leaving Sundowns was not an easy decision, actually, I must say, because remember, I grew up at Sundowns. I came at Sundowns at the age of 8. And then I'm not sure, but I'm still holding the record of one of the players who was really developed by Sundowns, because I never came from anywhere. I came from the street to Sundowns under 10 up to first team. I was developed by Sundowns. I was not developed by someone else and brought me to Sundowns to take over. No, I was the founder of Sundowns development boy. So making the decision of me leaving Sundowns, it was not easy, but for some reasons I had to, because if you remember, one of the things is the positioning. That time I was about 16 years. I was 16 years old, and then I was competing on the position that I was playing. I was a right back that time. I was playing right back, normal right back. And then I was competing with the late Sizwe Mutaung, and he was
on top of his game.
On top of his game, he just won AFCON with South Africa, and then and it was him and Themba Mnguni, one of the best player ever from Mamelodi as well. So my chances for me to wait, it was not. Yeah, but. But nevertheless, I think one of the most impact thing that really made me to move away, it was when me and Junaid, we went to England, to Manchester United. We were identified by Manchester United to come and play for them, but due to some reasons, unfortunately, we couldn't get international clearance. Work permit from the club. We were supposed to sign the international clearance for us, but they couldn't. And then there was no, I think maybe I wouldn't blame them alone, but even maybe Manchester United also, they could have engaged.
They didn't try hard enough.
Yeah, they didn't also try enough. And even the club as well on the other side, maybe they were also saying no, they're resilient of saying, no, we're not going to release him early. We found him in this age, and then now they just want to take him. And then that is when I came back, because we stayed there for quite a long time. And then when I came back, then I spoke to my brother. I decided, you know what, I'd rather go for greener pastures. But before I even moved, already, remember at SuperSport, we were coached by Terry Payne. And Terry Payne was from England. So off-season, he saw me playing for Manchester United juniors. And then when he started checking around, he found out that we are back in South Africa. That is when he told the late Thomas to say, no, there's a young boy. I saw him playing for Manchester United. He's very good. Can't we bring him to SuperSport? That is how my move came about.
Like, ngumuntu nje emotion sometimes. So you speak about Man United, ngathi ringa Shawela Aces, ngathi Ntelula, and here you are saying Terry Payne saw you play at Manchester United.
Yes.
And then it means your junior soccer life was structured in a very well-organized manner. You start at a big club like Sundowns, where you play from under 10 until the first team, until you earn a first team contract. And then you play for all the national teams in the country.
Yes.
But you also go to Manchester, where work permit issues didn't allow you to stay. So you started your career with a lot of pressure.
Yes.
How difficult was it to maintain standards, mawuqale kanjalo, because you were in the limelight early and you have a brother that is famous for his own right, Edward Machens Mutale.
Yes.
Here you are, come in with all the things that have been mentioned and having to maintain your standard of being a human being. How difficult was it?
Yeah, I must say it was very difficult. It was very difficult, Brian, because you remember, like even the Lokshare and the newspapers, there was this thing of saying, my brother paved a way for me. That is why it was easy for me to make it to professional at the early age, not knowing that I had my own journey. I had my own battle too. I fought for me to be there where I was. I had to always, now you're fighting, you remember you must fight. Would you shadow yaga Edward? You be stand alone to say, no, I'm here, it's me. This is my craft, not Edward's craft. You understand? So that is, I'm a favor. That is why I had to always, that pressure, it was there for quite a long time. When after people start realizing, when now they start seeing, some they will also come to say, no, you know what, we were wrong. We thought your brother paved for it, but we can see that you worked hard by yourself to be where you are. So those were the things along the journey. Yeah, so you got selected. I remember there was this the under 17 Coca-Cola interprovision,
yes,
where it was, you'll have Southern Transvaal, Northern Transvaal. Us, we were Northern Transvaal, and then we went for trials. After trials at Caledonian by Steve Kotsi, I remember Kedia Shepherd, everyone was there, and only to find out that when I come back from school, I got my sister, she said to me, yeah.
No. You played professional at such an early age. So professional.
No.
Okay, so
yeah. So when I came back from school, and then, but you have to go to Caledonian, and they say you must come to training. Only to find out when I arrived there, they only took me out of all the guys who went for trials for interprovision. Yeah, we were a lot. From, remember, it's Atteridgeville, Soshanguve, Mamelodi guys. I was the only black guy in the team. There were 14 white guys. I was the only black guy in that team. Then we went for interprovision. And when we went to interprovision, because God, he works his things in his own way. When we were there, I didn't play the first 2 games because now they wanted to play. You remember, now I went with, it's Arcadia Shepherd, Mara, in the other version.
Yes.
And we're coached by the coach Steve.
Who is the FIFA instructor now?
Yes. So when we were there, the first 2 games of the group stage, I didn't play because of, now they wanted to, you can't blame me. Yeah, you want Angamla with bus select the car. Yeah. And then what happened? Now we've only left with 2 games. The first 2 games we lost. So now, meaning these 2 games now, they're no longer important. It's just to honor them, and we must go back. The 3rd game, he put me as a sub. Right?
Kanti ama-scouts kula abukele khona bengabukeli lezi ezimportant esinengane.
Yes, he put me as a sub. Fine. The following game, I played the last game. Now it's where they say, nah, man, the scouts are again. And then I was there. Guess what? When now on the final day of Amaline, now the selection, I was the only one who was selected from that team. I've been the one who was selected from the community. They selected me alone from Mamelodi Atteridgeville. I was the one who was representing. We arrived there from the very same team. I'm the one who's been chosen again
to play for the national team.
To play for under 17. Now, the sad part it was now we went to do registration. Hey, Jen, we have to rest somewhere. They left me at, I remember. Yeah, they left me at Van.
Because bakwatele to catch you.
Yeah. So I had to go to Abu Trot and Abu Banukujan with Apela Mina Ramantulangiz and Abahambin. So they had to make a means with Bangladesh a town.
So istori sakho si hlangene in an amazing good way because uringa ngendaba yokuthi mawuphuma esigele ngaze ngathi bengicabanga ukuthi awugelezi. So you started earning money with teenager because so udlalela national team udlalela ne Sundowns.
Yes.
Bo balance kanjani indaba zesigele and bofunda va.
Yes.
Bo navigate kanjani impilo yakho because I think be important from age 15.
Yes.
And now you are an international footballer who has to go to school.
Yes.
Be Hispana kanjani?
You know, I think what I will say, I will thank my parents because, you know, ngakulela kule family ukuthi like ubabambeka strict, yabona. He was very strict, and then that helped me a lot because lento le ukuthi he also set me down to say, look, yabona so signile ku Sundowns. And you are young, but under my roof, you will always remain as a young boy. Sharp, yeah. Yes, the newspaper is saying the young boy from Mamelodi, what is being signed, Mara. You have to, you can't do anything. Yeah. So whatever professional that you have, you uzoishia ngaphandle egate. Mawuphuma egate uyayithatha uhamba nayo. You can wear it and go outside. Mara mawubuya uyishiye la uyishiye khona lapho ngene ejardini. Then that also yangenza ukuthi la no, I have to keep on focusing and balance. So and then it also helped me good now how it played a good role good. Now I can't abscond esikolweni now because now if I abscond esikolweni, he said it to me clearly. If you don't want to go to school, thatha into zakho uhambe. You're not going to stay here. Mina ngifuna umntwana angangeni isikole. Now that also played another role. So that is why now it also made me good now. Believe me, I was wearing school uniform. Most, a high school. They started realizing that time it was standard 8. But there's a player, man. There's a Kumbi Izayu. It's been 2 years now. Kune Kumbi Sundowns. Lilando Mundu. Yeah, they didn't know good Uban because of focus. The way I was always. And bear in mind, in standard 7, I had a car. I was driving it 325.
Sound there.
Yeah, that was the second one. The other one I was driving. That was the second one. The first one was the blue one. Mara, I was not going with it this school. I will only go with it only on Fridays.
Chapo which all happy more to say school.
To
Male Sundowns or Pelunga called with the Mamelodi ni nama dual characters ndo takuna boket matala abakwazi ukwenza yonke into yenzeke amhlambe nabo unawo wakho.
No, remember what happened. I was very fortunate on that one because le moto leze kanjani. It was my brother's car. He had a BMW, but you remember when he changed, now he upgraded from that one to something Matchbox, yes. And then he said to me, "Hey Joe, this is the car, but I can't give you for free. You need to meet me halfway." And one the reason why he's doing that is because you must not be with everything Wednesday. I understand. Then I had to give him something because I was saving the money. Now remember, I was earning at Sundowns. Unfortunately, but even though I will say that, but I was earning 500. It was 500 rand. But that time, because I was in school, you earn 500 rand a month, which is, it was a quite from standard 6, 7, you understand? You earning 500 rand.
So that's why it was easy for
Yes, and then when
Thomas Mariga ukukunika ama check ethu ukuthi usichange.
yes, and when you go to super, you go to national team under 20. When you come back in a check 2000. That time
Yo ibhaya.
it's by it's 2000. You must go and check it out.
Kahle kahle bokhona ukudlula principal.
Yeah, no, like you.
Principal ngalezo ikhathi beba lapho 1.7.
Yeah, 1.71. Yeah, we were almost.
Ubona ngebhathu ukuthi
Yeah, we were always.
Dakota.
Yeah,
Principal wena ngiyakhulula ngokuhola.
Yeah.
Mabongasho
Yes, yeah. I remember I was once mashonisa nyana wama teacher esikoleni. Yeah, I know bebaze kimi ukuthi bangifune ubone.
Bona bangamix ngoba uzela ishowini yami bamix izitori zethu bacabanga ukuthi kushuthi into yabo Daki nokudlala ifootball ngoba mina bathola istory sami wrong bacabanga ukuthi bengifuna ukuhlaba umeme kanti abayizwanga kahle lento manje ibe ukuthi ngibe kanjani but
yeah,
that mindset yokuba umashonisa and how you looked after inyuku yakho
yes,
as a footballer, which has always been a challenge.
Yes.
Ubuye family ne grand, backgroom grand,
Yeah.
grounded. You stuck to your duties zokuba umntwana nesikole kuqala before by professional football. I-shape kanjani i-behavior yakho nemali?
yeah. I don't want to lie. It did shape me. It did shape me. The discipline that was installed by my parents, yeah, it shaped me. That is why young Zaguti, because you remember those were the other things that was good to Babam. He also said he drew the line to say doesn't matter even no manga bambi mali maragwami angekuphuze angiphuze utshwala.
And a lot of people don't know ukuthi awukazi ukutouch.
Yeah, zange ngibuthathe. Wathi wangitshela straight wathi you will never take alcohol. Doesn't mean manje usewunemali uzophuza utshwala. Never. And angeke ubheme ngoba mina ngibhema ngiphuze. Understand? That is why then those things also zahlala kimi zanceda ukuthi no I need to, because other thing people didn't know. You know when I was playing for SuperSport, when angisahlala ekhaya, I had a twin sister. Ngine twin sister ne. We were rotating ngokuwasha izitsha. I will go and play a game at Durban. Aziyeka angazwashi, aziyeka. Ngiyakutshela ndoda, aziyeke. I will go and play bangibone TV, mangibuya ngeflight, mangifika ekhaya, ngiqala ngokuwasha izitsha lezi aqala.
Hey,
Because umama mangitshela ukuthi izitsha ngeke zilale, uzoba ngamaphele ndoda.
Hey unelaki ukuthi bengasiyi twin sister yakho. Bozowashi izitsha ezilingana ze-restaurant. Ngoba mangikhalela ikhekhe ngikhipha iside plate fresh. Mangifuna slice isinkwa plate.
So, those are the things ukuthi zanceda yabona. That is why I'll always umuntu omdala nomuntu omkhulu, I will always give that respect because of nasesikolweni I will always ukuthi mangibona umuntu omdala I will always give that. Ingasebenzisi lento ukuthi I'm a professional player manje yabona. Yeah, even though I had my mshikashiko nyana lapho ukuthi with money,
yeah,
lento yabukhetha iqala manje ibuya le ngoba nami I had amantombazana amanye ayi-2 wami bangibhalela ama-homework mangise campini like uthola ngo-Shakes Mashaba. So hamba boma 2 weeks ngishiya ama-textbook nayo yangibhalela, but umema sometimes banokubuza ukuthi mara ama-class work lawo nama-homework i-handwriting le akazifani kwenzakalani, angithi masihamba then I will leave my books lentombazana le
basebenza
then ama-class work uyangibhalela yabona mara umema uyamangala lo muntu akekho mara ama-class
and ukhethe laba abamnandi.
yeah akekho mara masithi class work
Ispansa sakhe sigrand.
ibhuku yakhe yeza for ama-marking ubhaleni ngibaye mara bathi discovered late kuthi hayi man awukhonakala lo muntu akekho
Une-ghost writer lo muntu.
yeah lo muntu akekho mara ama-homework wayavela kanjani because yeah
Manje yazi ngabe ngamthola nami lo muntu onjalo ngabe mangisayine ne-SuperSport i-matric yami i-completiwe nje ngesihlalo le e-Atteridgeville. But labo bantu bebadlala lawo marole. Do you think bayithola credit job because ngifila ngathi istory sakho siyazishape.
Yeah.
Ngikubuza izinto engizilandelisa phezulu kwezinto ezisho ukuthi
Yeah.
you'd go months on end with because national football was a serious issue
Yeah.
at the time. That is why you
Yes.
were in the first group that qualified for the World Cup
Yes.
with the under-20s.
Yeah.
With big name players.
Yeah.
We will get to that. I still need to find out more ngale scale ukuthi did you acknowledge did you give enough gratitude to labantu bebakwenzela lama homework bebadingana beba happy ukuthi baziwe ukuthi babloma nawe obo babhadala obo bonga nje ukuthi yazi ngiyangisiza ngekho ngiyabonga that's it.
Yeah. Onyehle kakhulu. Okay. Ngisha manje. Okay. So put.
So one.
Yeah, no, Jomani, to be honest, no bona they didn't want per se money, but the gulento leguti abona we asifuna ukuthi usalele emuva, but they know ukuthi iyawuthi my
So bebakhathalele
yeah yabona it was just pure love ukuthi take rent la uthile yabona lesimncede ukuthi makabuya angasalele emuva a continue from lapho, but they know ukuthi mangikhona because what I will do I normally I used to share mangikhona they know itlas yami they know ukuthi month end I will go out besithuma umuntu ayothenga barrel ayithu
mara black man listen to this man ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngesizwe sethu like why are we here la isikhona no ukuthi my first port of call mawungekho esigele or regiming ukukushisa ngifuna ukukupayisa this is the generation no
yes yes
and here you are saying wena ngesikhathi sakho it was just genuine love and care ukuthi we want uJapi to do well. He's one of us.
Yeah.
But because we also want him aphumelele.
Yes.
Kulento yebhola.
Yeah.
Izo change complexion yekasi lethu.
Yes.
Sizomkhavela.
Exactly.
But today kuyashiswana. Ishintshe nini and why ucabanga wena Japi ukuthi sila isikhona manje?
Eish. Yazi lento oyikhulumayo is very complex. Nami ngiyayibuza I always ask myself because this thing is not only happening it also happen iyenza nabo makhi whereby I will give you an example. Back in the days when there's a funeral umama wanga next door ngapha nangapha front opposite they will come bathi hey sizwile kunomlando so besifuna ukunazisa ukuthi our toilets will open our gates for you, our toilets abantu whenever they want the services. If it all indlu yangalapha encane they will offer indawo yokulala for ama visitors and what but manje safika kula ukuthi umama wangala mangezwe ukuthi ngala kunesifo immediately imoto zizopaka epavini yakhe bahambe kusasa ekseni uthatha abafana babeka amatshe manje uyabharagate ukuthi no bangasapaki la the whole week asazi sifike kanjani lapha
ngoba usaba ukufonela amaphoyisa ngoba akazi isilungu.
Yeah, so uzofaka amatshe the following day la upake khona mawuvela uthi uzocheka ngalapha awusekunamatshe akusapakeki. You understand? Ila sesikhona manje umphakathi as we show ukuthi nasesikolweni nasebholweni Jomani we play together. We have done things. We took the fall for our youngsters somehow. I coach might think no coach I say yimi. But I don't think it's still happening there. Isn't the less of finales much. But even we protect but I'll always talk now SID ukuthi indoda ungasayenze lento le. But manje ama player manje they even take other people's scandals to actually media ukuthi no lo muntu wenza so
and it's funny you say this because abantu bazocabanga ukuthi le episode is to pay homage to you or give you credit, but it's stuff you deserve to be told ukuthi mina I'm a custodian of benefiting from the person you are.
Yes.
When Upito was forcing me to sell my first car,
yes,
when you said give me instead ngoba ikwatisa lo mjida lento le car ungenzi ngale ka regimen
Yes.
ngoba uyidingi regimen
Ejimin, yes.
zwakala
Yeah.
nabanye abantwana ama-taxi
Yeah.
uzoyireya le car weekend
Yeah.
makungadlalwa and it worked because
And yeah.
ama-fight wami nalo mjida alimitheka
I-
and you yourself were pretty much a youngster at the time. You were
Yeah.
23, 24. You had just finished playing for the under-20s. And you had taken a responsibility of Skata, Nabo Shakes, Nabo Sienki.
Yeah.
Did that responsibility also carve out I career yako ukuthi ibe yinde the way ibe yinde ngakhona or I credit uyinika abazali bakho nalapho?
Yeah, I think also not necessarily ukuthi nginika yonke credit abazali bami, but mina nami self ngithothe ngifundise izinto eziningi, understand ukuthi in life that is how it did channel some of the things in life in ukuthi that is how this is the route I need to take, you understand. That is why even today nabantu nabasase around me they always say hey wena strict Joe wena wabona whenever, because even nakuma legend when we play legends games ekasi team yami, we've got a team no ADC that was formatted, and then we are the only guys who still left in that team. We call it Golden Legend. They always say, well, hey, whenever I come, because I take care of the kids and what. You like ungati ukabona abantu abadala, but when you come, they start running. Like mabale uvela ngekid
Principal
ufikile, they come running with manje bazo change yabona because of the, and mawubuza bathi hey wena barayi you shout, because I always say even you ungaba mdala ibhola is still the same. You can't go inside the field if you are not prepared mentally.
Yes.
Whether you can be 50 years, you still need that.
Ama-values akhona.
Ama-values akhona, they will never change. You know? So I think ingisizile ngento ezibhaya nasemsebenzini it also played a huge role. That is why abomama abaningi, I remember there's a touching story that that happened when ngisafika kuTshwane, and there was umama omunye bamiza uMamdoli, and then she's a cleaner, and then what happened, I will meet up with her at we are at ShopRite, uyothenga isingo, and then I'll say no mama irikuwelo yabona, and then I'll take the money and go at ShopRite yabona. But mina I started changing makathi ShopRite, then mina ngiye-Woolworths, then buy the isingo ngimthengele isingo ngimnike yabona, and then
believe ngathi u deserve equality
and siyakhuluma siloka siyakhuluma, but bear in mind ungazi ngiujabi, you understand. Now he saw my brother ubona TV nama uthi man mutho man utshwana le someone ke bereka le yena wabona, why they look the same, and then ubuza umunye umfana wakhe umntwana kuthi man wathi mutho kare unalo mongwa, oh I don't know their family or what, mara they look alike. Oh then the boy asked the mother ubani uthi no ujabi. Then the boy start laughing. No, the boy start laughing. Mama, what's Jabi? Jabi. And then he went to Google. At Orao. And mama, hey,
who yellow?
Yeah, yes. No, there's a guy who always angele ShopRite, angele singwa. Is this one? You know, the following day, when I met up with her, and she's putting him, hey, when I'm angry with you. And I'm like, no, I'm angry with you. And I was like, hey, Mama Zala, give me relay. And you know when I went there, hey, she started crying. She says, like, how did you do it? Like, how did you flip the coin? Like, because Nagubonole, a guy wa beragamu maspa.
Chappy, how did you flip the coin?
You know.
So take care of his space manje.
Yeah.
Mina ngisela ngiformatile ukuthi le ibuza kani le but the way story sakho nawe usazi ngakhona siyazikhuluma mina manje ngihappy ukuba i-guest eshowini yakho. How did you flip the coin? I don't think transition out easy.
It's not.
That's why sina sinama situation esiwabiza ngesilungu manje sithi i-mental health.
Yes.
Kuyahlanganisana ukustop ukudlala ibhola and then ungazi wenzeni ngempilo yakho. Singayibizi nge-mental health uyahlanya straight up. How did you flip the coin, Vel?
I think that one credit I'll give it to my brother, to Eddie, because he set me down. Now, at Ejo, once again, I need to talk to you. I remember when he was talking to me.
Was this closer to retirement or after you retire?
After I retired, I was getting there actually. And he called me to say, I want a meeting with you. And he said to me, Echo, I just told him 2 days ago, before I said I'm going to course A, B or C, what license. Sorry about that. And he called me, says, I want a meeting with you. And he said to me, look, Mfanagit, I'm not discouraging what you're trying to do. I just want to give you a bigger version of life. Yes, I see you want to go to coaching and do courses and what, and then pursue by football by coaching. But bear in mind, so that you must not be surprised and end up, when you hit the wall, you start being now miserable in life, because what you're doing, it may not happen. Yes, you can get those qualifications, but you may end up not having a club. What I'm trying to say to you, open your mind. By saying not everyone is going to end up in football industry. Not everyone will end up being coaches, is what he said to me. He said, by saying that, I said, I want to tell you, Japihore, even you can go now, as much as you've got a reputation, but if you've got a responsibility, meaning family to take care of kids, it won't be wrong to work at ShopRite and take that 100 rand and maintain your kid. I like protecting your ego. You understand? That is how he said to me. Then I said, okay, no, I didn't answer him. I just said, yeah, but when I was alone, and then, I started visualizing. I said, yeah, but this man is right. I mean, because he said, people didn't know there was a time he became, before there was a time after he left Pirate, and you remember, after he retired, actually, when he retired, there was a time he was a messenger at Terrelex. There was a...
Yeah, he worked there as a company, as a Terrelex. He was using the van there. He was transporting, getting the stock there and there. He did it for about 2 years. He did it. And people were writing, hey, my gens, hey, what. But he said, I'm surviving. My family is surviving. Because that time, it was the first year of her daughter go TUT. Now, and then there was she was not schooling with Bazaar. Eddie has to make a means of ISK. That is why so that is why he said to me, you also need to make those if it comes to a push, you have to make those adjustments. That is when I said, yeah, you know what? Anything is fine. Because I don't want to be in a position where I'm selfish when my kid says, then I said, Papa say me hona le game ya legend ba itlhakantsha ba yapi ya kai maybe tlamfa something or ke khono rekela jersey ka feel or no, that will be selfish, understand? Or Papa say me clap ngorometse CV, let me try something, let me work. And because 100 rand whether ibuya ku retail, whether ibuya kuphi, mara at the end of the day it does the same. It does one thing, it buys. But the mental adjustment of this contrasting change in your life, where Izolo you were getting 40,000 bonus,
Yes.
Bafana.
Yeah.
Now you have to scrape
Yeah.
for month end utole 6,000.
Yeah.
With due respect to the brands ShopRite, Boxer,
Yeah.
wherever you're working.
Yes.
Beyenzani ikhanda lakho, like when did you accept ukuthi now I'm a different man to the man I was yesterday? Yesterday I was a superstar and now I'm a father. Ikuthatha isikhathi esingakanani adjustment?
Hey, the adjustment, Mjomana, it takes long, mara. By the God of grace, namanje ngisazibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani. When we were getting those 20,000, 50,000, halfway month end will be crying. And now I'm earning less. Maria sustain until the other month. What happened? But before
Last rate.
because now I don't know like.
But when bebayisebenza kanjani ngoba you spent a lot of your time udlalela SuperSport iklabhu yabelungu.
Iklabhu yabo ngithi
Yes uthi uThomas bekadlule eMorian.
othi maybe othi mhlambe kunenye idlozi lebhola lekuthi imali yakhona when mayiza ithi blow it iyakuhlebela ebusuku no just blow it because you like kwamanje imali yakhona incane mara uzibutha ukuthi hey mara le mali le if uthola le mali le bengitholayo le the way ngisave le ikhona ukuthi ifike month end ize ngihola ngisase khona eaccountini kwenzakaleni kanti why was not happening ungabalanceki you understand but by the grace of God manje kuyabalanceka and you ask yourself ukuthi by the time when I was playing I couldn't point ukuthi 1 2 3 it was less but manje you can say I've got 1 2 3 4 5 how why because now hey
and ngelanguage yakaBraston may his soul rest in peace.
Yeah.
Plus unemedi kwayo.
Yeah.
Bekakhuluma kanjani?
Yeah.
Athe unemedi kwayo.
Yeah.
Nawe no big ups unemedi kwayo.
Yeah.
Angeke sitshela abantu ukuthi ubana amagama abantu basebholweni ama tendency okungcola bawayeki.
Yeah.
Bathona sebagcwele e-social media nemedi yakho.
Yeah.
Sekuyi problem ama inbox ukuthi hey
yeah
into esingazi
uyabazi uthi hey uyabazi
but on a lighter note before you even arrived at a point where you are saving money that is less than what you earned playing, you shared dressing rooms with iconic people.
Yes,
you shared dressing rooms nabo Benny McCarthy to name but one. How was the experience, Chappie, of being in a space no Benny? How was Benny as a teammate and a human being? And were you surprised that he ended up where he ended up, given the fact that you were teammate with Benny at the biggest stage of football, World Cup, at under 20 level, Ngobra Shakes? How was the whole experience playing in the World Cup, sharing a dressing room, no Benny, and how was he as a human being?
I don't know, like that man has got a good personality. He's a good guy. Okay. Tina, I started knowing Benny before Bangamizu Benny. Few people they were calling him with his nickname. They call him Muzi or Mo.
Oh yeah, amazing.
Yeah, from Cape Town. So I shared a room with him for quite a long time. That time he was playing for.
Stiga told me that name.
Yeah, he was playing for Seven Stars when he was playing for Seven Stars before he could even go to Cape Town Spurs. You remember, Seven Stars was first division. Yeah, I played with him, and funny enough, I was already at Sundowns. I remember one time we were talking about the tracksuit, what Manchester tracksuit and what. I said, no, I've got a lot, what. And then when I come back from school, they will say, hey man, there's a guy called, a colored guy called, hey, he was looking for you the whole day. Yeah, and then I was like, oh, then I will say, he says, no, it's Benny, they will know his number, and then when I call him, hey, Kazi, man, I was reminding you, don't forget that. Yeah, man. So that is how was Benny, and then we shared the room, and then he laughed one way. He's a joking, he's full of jokes, that guy, he's full of life. And then when I was not surprised when he went to when he got a contract of Ajax because he had a very good tournament in Morocco for the African Youth Championship. That is when we to qualify to go to Malaysia. And then he was converted because Matsao he was on suspension, so we didn't have a striker. Then he was competing with Stante. That's why Shakes, he in order to balance, he will play Stante left wing and play Benny right wing. And I was right back.
So the team will be reaching a talent.
Yes.
So if uBenny no Stiga bekwama winger.
Yes.
uSteve benimdlali sapi.
Steve was on the other side. So, you know, we didn't have much left-footed people. We had about 3 right quality wingers, but one had to be compromised. So Stiga, he compromised himself to be left wing. And now it was Benny and Stiga and Steve Sherry. So that is how Benny now, we didn't have a striker. They had to convert Benny to be a striker for first game, and he scored.
uMatsawu idlozi lakhe limqathile cause manje okorile sekumele abuyele manje.
Yeah, ufanele abuyele. Now he has to come back. And he scored again. So now you see, now Sheikh says, no, you stay there. You stay there.
So sekayenziwa striker manje.
Yeah, say he was a striker now. Now he become a striker now. Now the other game, now Sheikh has to play. Now he plays them, both of them now. He's play 4-4-2, he play Matsawu and Benny. That is how Benny was converted.
Oh,
now the scouters, when they saw him as a striker.
And he went on to be one of the top strikers the world has ever seen.
Yeah. Then I said to him, I remember once I met up, I said, Ben, had Matsawu not
Get injured,
get suspended for that game, that means Ajax was not going to see you because you were competing with Stante and Steve. And one of you has to start, one has to start on the bench.
so ilama case wale inkulumo zethu zabo Daki zabo Lifulawo lamphilisa.
Yeah, more or less. Yeah. Yeah, kuthi ngezulu nje angazi bathi ukufa elinye ibhubezi okuzala elinye.
Mara why kuyithi abo Daki kuphela banale inkulumo ezidizi kanje. Ezokuthi nasemngcwabeni kuyahlekwa.
Yeah, like
bese ngicina nenza namashow ke ema TV ekuphuza utshwala, but anyway asikho la. So you went dressing rooms.
Yeah.
Not only was it open or iconic.
Yes.
You literally saw the rise yakapitso Msimane.
Yes.
And abantu bacabanga ngathi nyamgwara mangithi he was broke when he arrived at SuperSport.
Yes.
Analela hembe, alikhumbula la hembe lakhe le Boys to Men.
Yeah,
Elingathi Islam.
elongathi Islam.
Yeah. Mawungafuni ukugqoka lonke ukhipha amakinopho.
Yeah.
Kusala iskipa ngapha.
Kusala iskipa ngapha.
Bakubanda uyafasta. Selislam. Nalela boots lakhe.
Yeah, uyakhumbula le boots lela.
Nomandla zwana nalo.
Umandla uyakhumbula sithanda ukuthi le boots ulithenge.
Athi ulibhayi Porto.
Yeah.
Wena maka Chopela uthi no le boots akalithenganga ePorto leli. Le boots ulitshontshe dressing room la ka Brian Robson amcoach ePorto. Manje akasalikhumuli. Manje akusimo washo kanjalo sikhokho. Nangu umuntu owakhuluma le story sale boots ukuthi wena no Pitson buye Europe ngama boots afanayo.
Enakhumbula babakhuluma isiGreece.
Abantu beyakhuluma isiPortuguese.
Portuguese and the other one was Greece.
Mara mina bengokufila ngathi ukhuluma isiPortuguese no lentwana ekhumbula Richard Ferreira.
Yeah, Richard Ferreira.
Bekune restaurant yabo Richard.
Oh yes.
So the only time I'd hear him speaking this language bese ngazi ukuthi uboleka imali
Otufuna
or ukudla ya ukuthi
yeah, ukuthi
mama ngiceda lento yakhe ekarali what for this ngiyazi ukuthi akuyodliwa manje.
Yeah.
Makungadliwa bawumbambisa isincane sepetrol. Those were tough times.
Yeah.
A lot of nonsense went down ezinye ningazazi sidlala SuperSport. uPitso ke wathela ipetrol 8 rand. Ultra City la.
Serious.
Wabheka around yena ukuthi ubani umbonayo. Wabona ukuthi wathi thela 8 mfethu. Le yathi 800 wathi me bra 8 rand.
But you know the nice thing, it motivates because masimbheka namhlanje. That is when they always say, and Nando's must have an history to enjoy.
Yes.
Most Nando's any history ngaphakathi, you will enjoy it. Ukuthi mara uyakhumbula.
Chapa asikhulume ngale Nando sekuPitso.
Yes.
uPitso mina nawe sihle la.
Yes.
Sizobe sinamanga if we say we are shocked at the rise.
No, we're not shocked.
Because we saw that
We saw it coming.
losing his mind.
Yes.
Sibona ngathi uyahlanya
Yeah.
ukuthi now seka stop imali ye-MTN sesiyodle Primos.
Yes.
Because ufuna i-structure is organized.
Organized. And we thought,
Seka
no, yeah.
ama senior player.
Yes.
Today the man is a legend.
Yeah.
How do you feel about Rise Agapito? Now, we are talking the good
Yeah.
parts
Yes.
of Agapito because he's a human being who is very, very associated to
Yeah.
mistakes.
Yes.
Sizofika lapho.
Yes.
The good parts. You, Pito, your relationship.
Yeah, Chomane, I must say, you know, some of the things that Mpila kuyo namhlanje is through that man. I don't want to lie. It's we know what he did for us. Even though we are young, we never thought we were in denial of other things. Mara mawuhlele namhlanje usibheka ukuthi okay, this guy he wanted us to move in this direction because of our outcome wakhona. I saw, yabona. But because we were young, some of the things we were in denial.
It's resistant.
Yeah, we resisted. We had that thing ukuthi no man ufuna ukusikhethela ukuthi siphile kanjani, sigcoke kanjani.
Yeah.
What sithenge nini imoto whatever. But yeah, now in his mind he saw it ukuthi no, he already observed it. Sometimes he knew ukuthi okay, uChapi kule moto hamba ngayo right. Mara mangayichange is going to delay him for the next coming 2 years. Mara yena ngeke abone because of the way ngimbona ngakhona. Unobu fast life nyana, but because of Tina we were not aware about those life skill element yakhe. We thought ukuthi coach ufuna ukuthi Tina manje sihambe ngemoto ezistakayo esenzani othi singabe sihambe ngama-taxi, understand? So but in a nutshell mina ngifila ukuthi he play some of the role ukuthi mina la ngikhona namhlanje I still use some of his elements, uyabona? Install it go
Daily life, yeah.
daily life nabantwana bami. Imntwana wami makafuna something ukuthi no ngibona iteki so ngiyamutsa ke already for yona. You understand? Because already says a game observed or and unfortunately I've got amantombazana njani ngithi kade yo bamba kabushu ufulosa ke golf 7 ke nalamathatha. Yeah, so you that was the element of life skill program tsela tsa hae wabona okay this guy, but yeah now he as long as even because the one thing that I've also even encouraging kulama youngsters wasekasi namhlanje, I always tell them Gurbon, there's no way you can be a soccer player and your role model
Rapper.
rapper. Yeah, rapper. They don't relate because of if you told ilento yako DJ, that means you must go all over the whole night. I'm on a club, follow that person. But if you follow your role model can be a soccer player. Uzoya iteria mufuna ukubheka lo muntu ukuthi udlala kanjani. You understand? Ubheka na TV ukuthi udlala kanjani. That is how people, I think that is one of the elements leyo yakhumbula bekalwa nathi ngayo ukuthi I don't remember who was one of, you remember he once said I was niggas on my page. And bear in mind that time we had senior guys, I was Buroni Zondi, now John Moiti, now David Nota, and then he came up with the pages that he
and the servers on the Tabafuni man.
Bafuni man, nothing. Write your role model, dude. Can you write your role model? Angasuban, and then he wrote arcade. Never, not under my watch. Role model, R. Kelly. Never. You can't play football and your role model can be R. Kelly. There's better, there's what there. You can't be. Yeah. But Mausala we beggar, it makes sense. Mara that time. I said, Mara, too much. Mara, we beggar. He was right. You can't have role model R. Kelly because of now. You must end up, you have to dress and young R. Kelly.
Yeah, ngoba if I role model ubonile impilo yakho
around
umuntu lo.
Yes, you understand.
Ngishuthi uze Jimmy ukhathele ngoba ucula from eshaweni.
You understand? Yeah, yonke into ayenza actually we want to uyenze manje uzoba ungeke ufocus ebholweni. Usathi mawunga focus role model yakho ibe soccer player. That's why I remember nale story le you remember even Usemi Makhalefa, you remember you
afake sticker so
it's a Jack Daniel Moten. John Walker. That was one of the, you remember he stopped and then what? Never. mfowethu kunale Free State Stars onale Swallows untwe mfowethu ubuyatshwala mfowethu hawu wasemthethweni mfowethu yabona so you
mawude wayidi cassette uvela ubone ukuthi
no mara
layout le bengafuni ukusikhawana
bengafuni ukusikhawana
and this is also a part where I mentioned in the book I've just recently finished writing ukuthi umdala mina bengicabanga ukuthi uyangizonda ufuna ukungivalela uchipa no shakes kanti later on mangiringa naye athi kahle bengibelieve ukuthi kumele kudlale wena qha.
I wanted to say that to you ukuthi you know there's this situation yakho no saying because you came through of you no Skenja ne Skenja came
later yimo shakes uchipa
uchipa when you were not aware ukuthi he realized good the talented one was you. Those ones, yes, they had talent. Mara, you were extraordinary. First of all, you were left and right kick.
Yeah.
You could take left corner with left foot. You could take right corner with right foot. Those two, they couldn't. Shakes was the typical left footer. Saying he's typical
right wing.
Right winger. When you will play right, left, and midfield or strike. So, but you had all the elements, but because of the way, unfortunately, maybe what we could say, singing some credit, sometimes he would never sit you down, and our unpack everything with him, Jomana. Why is Gira 1, 2, 3 more? It's because of this and that and that and that.
But I think I later Nami excused him, Japi. Yeah. Upito was only starting his coaching career as well.
Yes.
So it meant he was bound to make mistakes in terms of man management.
Yes.
Because later on, I modeled my coaching around here now.
Yeah.
And I found it scary, Guti. The things that he used to do to me, to young Zonda. 10 minutes later, ngiyaxosha.
Yeah.
Ukuthi angifuni ukusizwa lesicelo. Ukuthi traffic what
via. Yes.
Because this means these players abala ba warm by 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So mele ngiyeke lento le ela yalaba by 15 ngibhekane nawe
ukuthi ube home
to catch up to these 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Izo delay session yalaba nga 10 minutes. So we are running behind schedule.
Yes.
Because of you nobu irresponsible.
Yeah.
And you never had those challenges, but you saw Pito rise yakhe.
Yes.
When I left the club, I don't know how Pito was. How better did he get as a coach?
Yeah, I think he became better. When he became better, and then the confidence went up. You know, when somebody comes, it's like a fortune teller. When he comes and writes, Guti, I want to win the league. I want to win Champions League, CAF Champions League. I want to coach Bafana Bafana. Actually, was not saying I want. He says, I'm going to win the league. I'm going to be Bafana Bafana coach. I'm going to win CAF Champions League. And then he turned and he looked at us. He says, these things.
So you want to sing again?
Then now we are in Super Sport.
Yeah, last win the league.
Never. Not a chance. But today, unazo lezinto lezi. That is why sometimes I always tell abantu the power of the tongue. The power of the tongue. And ukubelieve kuwe ukuthi le ntaba le ngayimova. He did that today. It's a testimony of what abantu mabatshela ukuthi you know Pito, he wrote 1, 2, 3 and those things happened. That means even you as a human being, you can still do it.
I think wherever he is, he's gonna get this episode and will know exactly how we feel about him. Salute, coach. But there's also the downside.
Yes.
Especially in your case, where you could have gone on to serve SuperSport for even longer years.
Yes.
But now you had to prematurely move to the coast and go to Maritzburg and other clubs you played for down in the KZN. Was it the lowest or the highest moment of your football career? And why did it happen?
Yeah, You know, to be honest, moving away from SuperSport, it came unexpected. Mara, those were the adjustments that I had to make. Remember, I was never released. I asked myself to be released. Understand? Because I saw the
relationship,
relationship was we're suffering, and then I told myself, you know what, and then I'm glad, because when I took it to my father, and then when he spoke about it, then he said to me, look, remember, each and everything come to an end. You understand? Lemo company where I worked, I worked about 6 companies, and then for a long period of time. After I moved, I jumped. So it's a you know what? Or something. Take it as in you know what? You have done your part. Move. You understand? You have, even though it's not gonna be nice, because of already 8 years or more.
It's a long time.
Yeah, it's about time. Maybe you have to move. And then don't live with grudges. Don't live with if
a heavy heart.
Yeah, heavy heart. Or if it was not this person, SuperSport. No. It's a horror. That was your time with God and your ancestors to serve that time until 8 years. So obviously now you have to adjust, because now you remember, people didn't understand, they didn't know SuperSport, as much as they call it a small team, but we knew we had a big team.
It was heaven.
It was heaven. The treatment that we got, we were competing with the big teams. People didn't know. First of all, we were getting paid on the 23rd.
Yes.
It was only club that was paying a 13 check. December was 2. People didn't know what is 2 in December.
Shoot me in December when 3,000.
Yeah. Because we were getting paid on the you remember, before the 16, and we'll get again
May 23.
But people didn't know that. So now for me to go to, because I had to go to Swallows loan, just to because Notoma said, no, go on loan, clear yourself. Don't you can't say only the coach maybe he's doing wrong things for you. Now you contributed, so maybe you need to be aware as well to clear your mind. Then I went to Swallows. That is when you see now I'm playing for the small team now. You go to Swallows, that is when now you realize that now I'm playing for a small team.
And the Vipers are a big team.
Yeah, and it's a big team. That is when you see the treatment.
So
yeah.
Vipers is a big team.
Yes. Then you move. Then from then I moved to Black Leopard. That is when you see now in. Yeah, now
actually, now I felt it when I left SuperSport.
Yeah.
Second problem.
Yeah, second problem.
ukuthi bakunika ibag ye staff mara ina vest or ayina maphaqapha
yes.
uza ngamaphaqapha
yeah, ayine toilet bag le yakufaka izinto. Then
angisatholi cell phone.
Yeah, awusatholi cell phone.
Angina medical aid.
Yes. Awune medical aid.
So bekuyicompany.
Yeah, then
mara mawukwatini ufuna ukuhamba.
Now you realize ukuthi then when you travel, there's no longer ebhasini kunama fruits lapha, kunama cold drink nani azikho lezi.
Sikhuluma ngama fruits aircon.
Yeah, so uyodla eplane ukudla kwakho.
So yo zenza ngathi ufuna ukuxoxa no drive ukhalela ukuthi avule umnyango kancane ungena umoya mara uyegaming. Ibhasi ngokugcwala ama supporter.
Yeah,
ungena nenkukhu.
Yeah,
because ucela ilift yokusala.
Yeah, supporter number 1 fan uyangena uphethe inkukhu.
Babe siyabuza lo muntu wayangena nale nkukhu ebhasini. But angithi trademark yakhe emagaming.
Yeah,
le nkukhu le uloka yenza phezulu. And akabona ukuthi uzosibisa nabo SPCA ya violate ama rights elwani.
You understand? So those are the things ukuthi masikwatile while we make those decisions, emotional decisions, and then I left. But to be honest, I think it became better after also I left it, but it became much more better because of, I think also the guys who left behind, they were also saying, with
They
no,
were buying in.
yeah, the communication skills are more
Sibangcono.
you understand? He can relate in other things and he can sit you down for hour and what, you understand? As you say, Guti, at the beginning he was ambitious as well, Guti. I want to prove myself, you understand? So he wouldn't tolerate anything that
He was
is not,
misguided.
Yeah.
He had the energy.
yeah, but I got energy, but nevertheless, everything is okay. I've also, we're not fighting.
Grand.
We are okay.
I'm glad. Mina,
He's my father. He's our father. We at this moment last year he had a problem in academia Mamelodi. I had to intervene to try to sort out
that thing out.
He must get the lease. I told him lease because I know what he can do for Mamelodi.
Yes.
Even though people they wouldn't know, but me, because me now sebenza nice katisni. I know what by him it's a blessing for us Mamelodi ukuthi alethi academy yakhe based in Mamelodi, because he's not even from Mamelodi. If he wanted, he could have taken it as a weight, but he chose Mamelodi. You understand? And then people they don't understand what he chose Mamelodi because of the heart.
It groomed him. Mamelodi.
It groomed him. It groomed him Mamelodi as Mamelodi Sundowns, a legend. You understand? So that's why he had to choose Mamelodi. And then that's why I said, even when I stayed this Kikuti, no, we need to make sure we take care of him, because tomorrow I know with him,
Uzofuma 12 yabo Chapi Mtalo.
they will be out of this academy, and 4 or 5 we will be in Europe with him under his guidance.
And just before we close, when I chaps in fit, there's the influence of social media that has taken over the universe.
Yeah.
And particularly our football, where in Duana, they are more focused on how many followers they have
Yes.
than how many thousands they have in the bank or how many matches they've garnered in their career. Do you think isizile or iyanceda nje ukwehlisa i-level ne-standard sedisk?
At the beginning, I thought it will help to hype ukuthi we can know the whereabouts of Zama play, ukuthi what they are doing, their lifestyle. Baphila kanjani and what, but you feel like somehow now emotionally it went overboard.
Yeah.
As you remember, even Peter will say he had that thing ukuthi you can have confidence but not overconfidence. Because if you have overconfidence, you are gone. You must limit it, you must balance it. You understand? So now it went over the limit now, whereby you feel like it's out of control. Like my players now, they focus more on that
Hype.
that thing, and then they forget Guti. Football, as they say, is a short career. You need to invest more on it. You understand? More in it. Yes, have social page, what, but not too good in your choosela, but on your social page, have more of what the kids can take home. Drills, show them drills of football, training alone, what, so that they can be able to say, oh, this man, that is why I excel at Sogo ground is because of Wira so Aliwa, you understand? But now
So this is
now your social page let's
porn.
not even porn, like social pages are let's snooze, like they put the containers of this snooze. They put in for apparently Disney if it even is even worse, because now some of them now they even taking 4 down now. It's
so umuntu uzodlalalele
manje, because it comes your nerves. It comes your nerves. How are we going to react when the ball comes? Because now your nerves are coming. That is why with my research, I've noticed now most they doing those snooze and what they get injured easily. Angithi they are calm.
So abacabanga ukuthi kunabojapi abeza
Yeah, they don't think yes, you understand. Those are the things, the element that they must also go and check bona revisit abaliwani ukuthi hey mara
So
Trotman into ayibolelang right or wrong now.
angaze ngakucela ama-favor ngizokucela i-2 manje. If you were to look into that camera
Yeah.
and speak to the young player,
Yes.
that will definitely be watching because they banqanyisa ingam saka Gerald Mudabi
Yeah.
na some of the things azikhulumayo.
Yes.
And ngiyabonga ma chance mangihlangana nani emamoli nasho ukuthi Grootman siyakunqanya ngincanywa back. But Mamelani Ujabi, you tell the youngster what to do that wants to survive in this game, what it takes, and then ubonga ama subscriber wethu,
Yes.
then yivale.
Yeah. No, Autam, to be honest, to the youngsters, Wamanje, and the ones who still believe they can still make it in a professional setup and go far. Look, it's very simple. The motto should be eat football, sleep football, live football. Those three aspects, if you are not doing them, you're not gonna make it a footballer. Because you have to live football, you have to eat football and sleep football. Invest your time, invest your everything in football. Because angitufuna ukuthi football ikwenzele imali. Then stay away from other things. And then secondly, you can't be angeke ube famous endaweni ezithu. You can't be famous ePolweni and ube famous futhi nakuma nightclub of the field. Azambelani. You can't be off the field ube star. Ube star ePolweni. No, zotlasha. One is to explode. One you crash. So you have to choose go to uthatha ipi. Yase Stratton or yase Polweni. But yase Stratton is you're not benefiting because of it's draining you because now uthatha imali ya lapha to fund the other ones.
So
But-
Safari.
So Leia Safari, and that is the one that is bringing money. So the only way you could still go to this one. Safari le. Rather about mabahlangana hey, we haven't seen you for quite a long time. It's okay. Yabona.
Kungakhali ngapho.
Ungakhala lapho bathi ndoda udlalaphi manje? Asakuboni. Hayi azoRotman ngisafunana neklapho uzohamba iclearance ibe brown ingcolile.
Kanti awazi ukuthi le club oyifunayo ufunana ne-Cardinal leader.
Yeah, I understand. Can't do ufuna net. So that's what I'm saying to the youngsters. Look, focus on, invest on football. Make sure go to focus on football. And also, when you get a chance, study. Study. Reason why I'm saying study. So that you can be empowered. Because if you are not empowered, ibhola manje lebadlala yabo angithi manje nama measurement. Kuthi le pass le mangifanele ngiyiphase ifuna ama centimeter nana manje mawungafundanga uzoloka sithi mara lo mathi uyaphasa uyashota odiya ngaphansi.
So zama ukuthi lama veste bawagcokayo abanye abazi nokuthi awokwenzani.
Yeah, abanye abazi and nama yiwo angidame afanele measure ukuthi
Ugijime wafika.
ugijime wafika phi iphasi yakho ibe kanjani ukwazenza. So that's what I'm saying. That's why when you study it also can also help you not to be exploited by the club or the agent.
Yes.
You can also take agent ngicela copy nami ngiyi what I have to sign. Uyefunda na ucheck ama clause ukuthi lento bokhuluma nayo lento uyifuna ikhona lento le bangakusayinisa into ongayazi kusasa manje sewuhamba nama union manje sofuna ukuthi no umuntu ungiropile le club le mina ngithi ngifree kanti no
Into oyisayinile wena.
into oyisayinile. You understand? So but when you have studied, at least not to say go to tertiary, but study, read, so that you can not be exploited.
Lento le bayithandayo.
Lento le bayithanda.
Inayo yonke lento eshoyo.
Yeah.
Ukuthi you don't have to be
Yes.
in an institution to
Yeah,
study.
to start.
Ungafunda kule
Yes.
phone ebaphilana sekusho ukuthi bajime ngayo manje.
Yeah, ukushoda ukuthi mara mina into engiyaziyo. Ngiyakhumbula I once had one player, I remember, Pivot Zorita. Baganayo, but about 4 yabo babanayo ama laptop. But lama laptop hayi babambele music kuphela.
Nama movie.
Bagcwele ama movie ne music.
Hey chaps.
For information dolo. Uyazi mjoma nase airport bokwenzakalayo.
Yeah,
You will
well,
go and buy a newspaper. I-newspaper le sakubona uyangena eCNA uthenga i-newspaper. Angeke singe. Mase sise flightini. Emjomana athi ngibona i-first page iqala ngizokunikeza back.
Ngoba imali yakho uthenge i-voucher Vodacom
Yeah.
ye-55.
55. Wangathenga 39.
Yeah.
Uthenge
R5
newspaper.
But I think singahlala for 4 days, like I said,
Yeah.
masicala. But let me just humbly say thank you to you for all the things you've done for me, for helping me out when I started out in my career, for taking your time out, just changela my check nabo cheaper, for teaching me ukuthi kuyagundwa ebholweni awuzi ngale style abufunda ngaso ephutha ushaka.
Yeah.
Inwele esihlangane nendlela kadinga Nthobela.
Yeah.
Ozivule yona ngomese. You took care of that. Wangelezisa ukuthi ama-taxi arewa via Church Street.
Yeah.
A lot of the things I mentioned here, you can go and get the full circle autobiography,
Yeah.
The Story of Gerald Mutabi.
Yes.
It will be out soon on KDP Amazon, where you'll find a lot more stories that went down in my career. But for this particular episode, I learned one, I was so in a hurry to finish so that I can make note of this point that this man mentioned, Uguti, responsibility before reputation.
Yeah.
Take care of home before you get excited, wandering the streets, hyping your life up, while the important things are not taken care of.
Exactly.
For today, ngicela ukuyivala, ngiyabonga, and let's meet in the next episode. My name is Gerald Mutabi.